Hey guys, this is my 5-minute makeup. So whenever Orlando and I are in a rush, this is my go-to makeup look that I do every single time. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, that way it helps me out, and don't forget to leave a comment below of what you think of this look. Let's go ahead and get started.
Oh, my baby.
Alright, so to start off, I'm going to use L'Oreal True Match Concealer in the shade Fair, and I'm just going to put that right under the eyes and the nose, and that's it. Alright, then I'm going to take L'Oreal Infallible. I don't know what shade this is, but I'll definitely leave it in the link below. I'm just going to set the whole face. Alright, and then I'm going to take Revlon's brow pencil in the shade Soft Brown. Okay, Bing's gotta go. Okay. Then I'm gonna go in with Wet n Wild bronzer. Now, my tip for you, if you do have a really, if you have a lot of days where you're running really late, like you like to sleep in or whatever the case is, I would recommend just going out and testing a lot of makeup that's, one, easy to blend, but something that's really easy and quick that you can just put together on a day-to-day basis. Like, it took me a while to get this routine down, but once I got it down, it was the best thing in the world, especially when I'm running late and my fiance's like, hey babe, you got 5 minutes. I'm like, You always try to sneak in that extra minute, but this really helps out on those days you like to sleep in or whatever the case is. Oh, and then I'm going in with the NYX blush in this shade, I believe it's Journey. Alright, lipstick. I'm going in with CoverGirl Ravish. I'm going to curl my eyelashes real quick. And when I'm doing a really quick makeup look, I always try to do a bold lip, and I go very minimum on the eyes. So I just curl it, and I'm going to go in with Clinique Black Mascara. is the final look. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.